My name is Tony Finley. I'm the plant manager at Elegant Packaging. We are a luxury rigid box manufacturing facility in Cicero, Illinois.
What kind of security challenges being the plant manager, and how long have you been here? I'm sorry, how long?
I've been here at Elegant for 4 years now.
4 years. And did you have a background in managing facilities?
I had a background in law enforcement and management background and was asked to take on the role of plant manager here at Elegant 4 years ago.
Incredible. What has been some of the, considering your law enforcement background, and how many employees do you have here?
We have roughly 80 full-time employees. During peak times, we can get upwards of 200 employees using temporary agencies.
Sure. And so with your law enforcement background, considering, and all these folks producing high-end luxury products, what kind of security challenges were you facing before working with Umbrella?
So we experienced, some of the concerns that we experienced were proprietary packaging materials that would come into our facility, and then we convert them into the boxes that we manufacture. We had key card access situations where we wanted to ensure people coming in and out had the ability to come in and out, and were able to come in and out and supposed to be. So we installed a key card access system where we can actually, from a safety standpoint, as well as tracking the employees in the building.
So Tony, what were some of the security challenges you had prior to the new system? Any problems with the existing security system?
The system, we had a camera system, was pretty much the extent of the security operation we had. So the cameras that we installed were not of the best quality. They were low resolution. We got jumpy searches when we would go back to look. They were Wi-Fi cameras, so always wasn't a good reception. Not reliable at all. So we had made the determination that as our company began to grow and we were looking into hiring clients, and they had some requirements that we needed to meet as well. So we ended up going out and researching different security systems to upgrade what we had.
Awesome.
What systems did we install?
So we had you install a key card access system on all the perimeter doors and several of the interior doors.
Yep.
We had you install a complete camera system with high definition cameras and AI adaptable. We also had you install a new door alarm system that will all be integrated with the camera system as a complete package.
And isn't it true that in phase 2 we're installing a license plate capturing camera and then an enhancement of the access control system?
Correct. So several of our exit doors, one of our customers suggested that we put key card access readers on the inside of the door so that they can't just be pushed open for exit. We also installed, as you said, the high definition camera with a superb telephoto capability to capture cars entering and exiting our parking lot.
Yep.
As well as several other cameras throughout the facility in key locations.
How has your experience overall been with Umbrella?
Overall with Umbrella Security, we've had no issues. They've been responsive to our question. They've been understanding in my lack of knowledge in certain areas. But overall, a great partner, and I couldn't be happier.
Wonderful. So can you define any measured results or benefits you've gotten so far in living with the new security system?
Right. So to me, the biggest measured result is the employees' awareness of what's going on within the building. They understand the importance of the security upgrades that we've made, and they actually feel more secure within the facility. Before, the entrance door by the employee entrance used to be open and anybody could exit and enter. Now they feel a little bit more secure, and overall, the understanding of why we've done what we've done, they don't look at it as being intrusive at all. It's for their protection as well.
And isn't it true that there was actually an initiative that helped to grow the business where security came into play?
The security measures that we've taken on and installed actually helped us obtain a very large contract And we actually met with that company prior to this, which was the impetus for all of the upgrade. And they have been more than happy with the progress that they've seen here at this facility.
So would you recommend Umbrella Security to any other manufacturing facilities?
I would recommend Umbrella Security to anybody, manufacturing, small business, whatever the case may be, because I believe that the partnership that they provide, I haven't had that feeling with other companies that I dealt with. So we came back to you for additional work, and if I needed anything else, I would come back to Umbrella one more time.